Hey everyone, John for Popeye's Postcards. Have you ever been printing bulk labels in eBay and you have a 4x6, either a Rollo or a Zebra or some other one of those brands, and you have it set to print 4x6 labels, and you go to print your labels and eBay does this to you. They've changed your labels to print 2 labels per 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. You didn't change anything. I have no idea how this happens, where eBay sets your default 4x6 labels to 2 labels for a sheet of copy paper. No idea how that happens. Just happened to me the other day, and it just kind of pisses you off, doesn't it? Because now you're like, well, how? Maybe you don't even have a printer that has regular copy paper in it. So how do you deal with this? We're used to having this. All my labels like this, 4x6, they're all going to print out single label. But instead you get this. So you can actually still print these labels on your Rollo. It just takes a little bit more time and a little bit more effort, and it's a little bit pain in the ass. But you can still do it if you don't have like a regular, the sheets of paper that have 2 labels on it. I've done that before when this happens, but I'll show you how to work with this. So when you print it out, when you go to print your labels and you see this, download that set of labels that are on the 8.5 by 11 sheet, then open that label back up in Adobe. It's the Acrobat Reader. It's the free version you can get. Go up here to Menu, and on Menu, you want to go click on this Undo, Redo, and More, and then you hit Take a Snapshot, and you'll get this little cross thing here, and you highlight the area that you want to print. Tells you it's been selected. Right click on your mouse, hit Print, and there's all your label options, and you just hit Print, and it's printing, and now your labels are back to, well, it's not back, you have to go back and change something, but at least you now have the use of your 4x6 label maker. It's pretty easy to do, and in order to correct it the next time you do your labels, for me it's the next day. I only have a couple going out. When you go and confirm your labels, see, this is it. I was fully expecting it to be this right here, and because that's how it printed yesterday. I didn't change anything. It just defaulted to that. So you just got to make sure that it's on 4x6. Right when you review and pay, it's always over here to the right. Just make sure and verify that it's 4x6. I was fully expecting this to be set differently. I don't know what eBay did yesterday, but it looks like it's back. And you just hit confirm and pay, obviously. Except I always download my labels, so I have a copy just in case I get something returned as undeliverable with a little yellow sticker, and the buyer's like, no, that's correct. I always just resend that out because I've saved every label. Here we go. Yeah, the 3 printed correctly. Crisis averted for the day. You can also you take a snapshot in Adobe Acrobat for your international orders that have a customs form. Take the snapshot, just highlight that area, and again, find your printer and you print it. There you go. You have a copy of it saved, so you really don't need that, print that bottom part. Quick video. Hope that helped you if you ever run across that problem. Thanks for watching.